If you clicked on this video, chances are you're not a dog. You're probably a content creator. So why are you acting like algorithms bad? Listen, I'm not trying to offend anyone. I've been like this, I know what I'm talking about. So this is my 10th channel. It took me very long to understand this concept. I had to try 9 times and basically fail 9 times. I gained a bunch of subscribers, right? But I didn't really earn any money. The problem here is you creating high effort videos and every time you expecting the grace from the algorithm. It's not working like this. For example, one video that I made, I almost knew it would go viral. I walked for 365 days, 15,000 steps a day. Yes. And guess how many views this video got in 3+ years? I will show you. I think it's under 10,000 views. So basically I expected millions and millions of views from this video because nobody has ever done this. As you might guess, it takes more than a year to create a video like this. And what I got nothing. Most content creators are slaves to the algorithm. And this is completely wrong. And we're gonna talk about what is right and how can you profit from the algorithm, not being algorithm slave. Instead, I could make low effort content, like just one good video per day, one talking head video per day. Instead, I did that and it just tanked, it flopped, and I can do absolutely nothing about it. This is probably not the cleanest YouTube setup in the world, but this is what I have and it's fine. So let's talk about the mistake that most YouTubers are making. Let's say this is your channel. This is your channel and this is the list of videos. I don't know how many. Let's say you start in a channel and you made 7 videos so far. So each video you're trying to attract the most amount of viewers. You try different topics, let's say topic 1, 2, then you come back to 1, then you try topic 3, topic 4, then you come back to topic 2, you try topic 2 again, and nothing seems to grow, right? Nothing seems to grow. Well, that's called inconsistency. That's called inconsistency. First mistake. Why do people make this mistake? They're trying to go viral. They're trying to go viral with every video. This is the biggest misconception between many content creators. So what you should do instead, you should create a range of topics called 1. And you start a channel from 1 and you go to 1, 1, 1, 1. I think you get it. You never change the topic. You never change the topic, and this is how your channel gets what's called semantic core in SEO. You get the semantic core and then the algorithm understands what your channel is about. I just saw this nice lady. She had a channel with I think 5,000 subscribers and her video, I think it's called Algorithm is Rigged, Algorithm Doesn't Like Me. Her video was very interesting. She studied different creators and found out that some channels with really good content don't really blow up, and in other channels people invest like $40,000, $50,000 to get a chance to blow up and cover all expenses. This is completely wrong approach. What she demonstrated a channel that blew up with this approach. And she was following that channel and found out that creators spend $45,000 or pounds, I don't remember. Let's say $45,000 for simplicity. And when they spend their last money, like last $5,000 for the video, that video blew up. So if their money ended at $40,000, they would lose all money and give up on the channel. Because when you're trying to go viral, you will probably run out of money before it happens. And she demonstrated another channel where the dude is traveling the world and trying to post consistently for many years, and he's not really getting views. And she told that this creator is blowing up on Instagram, on TikTok, but YouTube apparently doesn't like him. So what I found out on her channel is that she's changing topics constantly, trying to go viral. And with almost 5,000 subscribers, that video where she talking about algorithm got like 15 views. Imagine this, 15 views on a 5,000 subscribers channel. So what's really happening here? She tried topic 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, something like this, something like this. And when people subscribe, they expect topic 1 to continue. For example, I got recommended that video and I expect to see her studies about the algorithm. But the channel is not really about this. She's trying to go viral with different various topics. So if you think about it, what were the chances of me finding that video with 17 views? Probably not that high, and I enjoyed it. It was a topic that I'm interested in. So this kind of demonstrates that the algorithm is working. Because the purpose of the algorithm is to find videos for the audience that audience will enjoy, not the other way. So I have no incentive to come back to that channel, even if I like the creator. Yes, I noticed the glare and terrible lighting conditions. And that's fine because I'm not trying to go viral. I can show you my ugly door. So this video is for people who want to understand YouTube deeper and earn money from it. What happens if you go with a strategy? You make videos on a similar topic. So people subscribe and they keep watching, And this means you're creating the core audience here. You're creating the core audience on your channel that will follow you to your next video about topic number 1 that you chose. And actually, this is what algorithm really wants from you. Just stay with your topic so algorithm can serve a new video to people who subscribe, to people who want to dive deeper into this topic. This is very simple. Now, let's discuss why going viral is a very bad decision financially when you are just starting or when you already have a channel and you're struggling to get the views. That's because you're chasing the views and you're thinking about AdSense monetization. So specifically, the topic of going viral is always about getting millions of views. Why millions of views? Because with, for example, $3-5 CPM, you can make from $3,000 to $5,000 with each video that got 1 million views, long form video, of course. So if you can make, for example, 4 videos, 1 video each week, that's a decent salary from YouTube. That's what people are dreaming about. Chasing 10K plus per month is a very bad idea when you're trying to make 10K with AdSense. Now, how do you make 10K without going viral? How do you make any decent money without going viral with a small channel? So I explained that you should choose your topic in the beginning and keep going. But what if you get on average like 1,000 views for each video and the channel with a small niche is not really growing, is not really chasing big audience? So how do you monetize? How do you monetize 1,000 views, like 1,200 views on each video? That doesn't make any sense, right? So most people think that YouTube channel is growing something like this. Every video should get more views. It's not necessarily the truth. So this is more realistic representation of what is actually going on. You get almost nothing, it all fluctuates near zero. Until it doesn't, it just grows, one of your video blows up and you get your first 10K views. So after this happens, you get a bunch of subscribers and YouTube starts recommending your older videos. And if your older videos are not matching this topic, your subscribers will never watch your channel again. And this is very bad sign for the algorithm. Every video you were changing the topic, you were chasing the algorithm, you were trying to please the algorithm, waving your tail, being a good dog. Not a good strategy for monetization, not a good strategy for going viral, not a good strategy at all. And if you are consistent with your topic from beginning, this graph will be completely rewritten. Look, every video will grow, every video will grow, and will give you more subscribers, so your overall views will grow and your channel will gain trust from the algorithm. So your next video might get, for example, even more views. Now let's say you understood this information and you chose your topic, topic 1, basically your niche, where you're creating content. And now let's say you removed all videos that don't match topic 1 from your existing channel. And you start creating new videos on topic 1, topic 1, topic 1, basically same videos, and you're waiting till YouTube gives you opportunity. When you get your viral spike, each other video will get views, and this is how you establish your authority in the niche. Basically, after this, you're an expert. You can say, I'm an expert, I have an expert channel, look at this. And you present like your 50 videos discussing the same topic, right? The point is, you never know when it happens. It can happen here on your 4th video, it can happen on your 40th video. It doesn't matter. You cannot know which video the algorithm will pick up. So what do? You create monetization strategy beforehand. You find a product that is matching your niche, your topic 1, and you put the link in the description of every video. This way you don't need to know which video will blow up. This video blows up, people will click on your link. It can be an old video, it can be 3 months video, 6 months old video, doesn't matter. And people start moving to other videos. They also see the same link here, the same link here, and they understand that the product or service you're promoting, for example your digital product, this is what's gonna help them to fix the problem that is being discussed in topic 1. Okay, I could create more than 300 videos and create a channel with a strong semantic core and become an expert, and I could sell some products, right? So don't be like me. You don't have to repeat this mistake that I made. You can create your own digital product, you can create a community, you can find affiliate products that match your topic. All you have to do is to stay within your niche and become an expert. YouTube and YouTube's algorithm will do everything else for you. They will bring you traffic. Traffic is basically a euphemism for real people, right? And real people, if they find what you're saying valuable, they will eventually become your clients or trust the link in the description you're giving. For example, right now I'm growing into the community niche. I discovered that monetizable communities are booming now, and people are earning $10,000, $20,000, some people even $100,000 plus per month. I just looked at it and I thought, wow. And it all was done under 1 year. This new platform called School is available basically for everyone, and it's very low overhead. The online business you can create from your house. Look at my ugly house. I can operate my business from here. All I need is a phone and some time to create very simple content. If you use my link in the description, it's 14 days free trial, and you create your community and use YouTube as a vehicle to drive traffic into your community. If people really like you, if people really find your content valuable, they will just subscribe for 10, 20 bucks per month. And this is how you create a sustainable source of passive income. Imagine all you have to do is move 100 people with $10 per month to get $1,000. Now, what is specifically so good about this strategy? You're not being a pet to the algorithm. Hey, this topic is viral, this topic is viral, this topic is getting views from other creators, try this, try that. So you're a human. You show in the direction to the algorithm. The algorithm starts bringing you clients because you're an expert now, right? You're using the algorithm as a vehicle to bring you clients that will buy your digital products, use your affiliate links. You already have trust because you establish trust by building a channel. And this is how Basically, you can use the algorithm for your profit. You are not a pet. Algorithm is your pet now. I will show you an example. Now, how can I prove that my idea is actually working? You see, this new channel has only 10 subscribers, and one of the first comments I got, actually I think I got this comment on first or second day I started this channel. I will just put it here. So basically, a subscriber, a viewer of my new channel, of my challenge to monetize this project, has over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, and he's trying to monetize them on Patreon. This is how I identified that my channel is going in the right direction. I'm getting the right kind of audience. And why? Because algorithm is my pet, not the other way. You can use the algorithm to drive right traffic, right kind of people to your project, and then you figure out what to do with the audience. It's very simple. So to get 10K per month, you need 1,000 people. From millions of views many creators get, I think it's not that hard to convince 1,000 people to join your community and get your paid content. I think that was helpful. If you like, just subscribe.